Hey everybody, I'm Coach Stacy. I am a creative coach in Decor Exchange's design school. Y'all, today we're going to be swapping out our bow on our mailbox flag and make it less Christmas and more winter. So I have some tools in here. So just removing some things like the ribbons, taking them out and putting more of a winter color scheme vibe. So I'm putting this gorgeous burgundy and this marble. We're gonna just go right in where we took out. I can find the spot. Just switching simple things. It's not that bad to cut some zip ties and replace them. Using the mailbox as my work platform. Y'all working on a mailbox, there is some traffic, so I'll just be quieter when it comes to that time. Okay, I'm just going to loosen off my bow that we have. Actually, just going to snip it because it's just a pipe cleaner around it. So, goodbye, Christmas. Just trying to get a good grip on this pipe cleaner. Y'all, I'm just getting a good connection. You want to twist it all together. I'm just cutting off the excess pipe cleaner once we got it all tightened up. Now we can go ahead and fluff it. My tails are really long so that I can decide once it's on where it is going. Once we have it in place, I'm just gonna start trimming some of my tails. I kept my tails extra long so they just don't get in the way. Some I'm dovetailing, some I'm folding over. Just gonna do one side with y'all. That'll go along. Have some shorter tails too. I can do the other side after. Sorry, y'all. I will just have to go around and fluff it up, but there should be some photos as well. But there we go. We went from Christmas to winter. I still have to trim the tails on this side. Y'all, thanks so much for being here with us. If you are in design school, we'll see you Wednesday night. If you're not in design school, I hope you join us. Bye-bye.